Hello everybody, today I have a very exciting unboxing for you of the iMac with the Retina 4K display. Now this is a 21.5 inch model, okay, and it is the 1TB version, and it has the, this one here has the Core i3 processor, okay, and 8GB of memory, okay, and I think it's got 8GB of RAM, I'm not sure, and this one also has USB-C. Alright, so this is what the iMac looks like on the front with all the pretty colours. If we turn this around, we can see the side of the iMac. Unlike the older iMacs where we used to see the mouse and the keyboard, we don't have that anymore with these newer ones. Alright, so to open this up, Apple will make it easy, just peel this off the front, like that. And then that just comes off. Now this will just fold down. Unlike the iPads and iPhones which have a box that lifts it up, the iMacs are still a fold down box. Okay, we just lift this up and then it should drop down. And of course, unlike the iMac Pro which has cardboard, this one's obviously styrofoam. So up the top here we're greeted with our mouse and our keyboard. Let's take them out of here. Okay, so here they are right here. We have the Magic Mouse 2. I'll just take it out of this package. There's our Magic Mouse 2. We've got our lightning connector right there. Inside here we get our Magic Keyboard. Let's take that out. There's our Magic Keyboard right there. So I've got the lightning connector on the back. In here we get all our literature. Okay, we get a user manual, we get some instructions, we also get the Apple stickers and a cloth to clean the screen, which is good, so we get all that. Unlike now, the iMac Pro will have black Apple stickers, however. And of course, in here we get our lightning cable for charging up the accessories. Okay, so there's all that, so we'll just pop all that back in there for now. Set it up here. Okay, so we need to lift up this styrofoam. So there's the top part. Okay, so in the back here, I can peel off the plastic cover. Inside here, we have the power lead. Okay, it's just a simple computer power lead. Alright, so now if I do believe I can lift this out of here, get this styrofoam off the sides, set that there, and here's the iMac itself. Set that right there. So here's the iMac right here with this nice wrapping on it. On the back here there's a sticker here, so we're going to need to break that to get this off. Just peels off. And that lifts up. Okay, rubbish. We also have a nice screen protector as well, so we'll peel that off. Now before I do, let me show you all the ports on the back. On the back we have our headphone port, we get our SD card reader, we get 4 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, and of course an Ethernet jack, and of course the power port. And of course the power button's right there. On these newer iMacs we don't get the super drive, so alright, so if you want a super drive you're going to have to buy one. Peel all this plastic off the front. This just protects it. And all that, I'm already getting my fingerprints all over it. Peel all that rubbish off. Also there's the plastic, we'll set that up there. So here's the front of the display. We'll also peel off this off the bottom of the foot here. And there we go. So there it is. Ooh, this is nice. I finally got myself an iMac. So this one here, once again, it's the 21.5 inch with Retina 4K. Okay, so that's essentially all there is to this Mac. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my new 21.5 inch iMac with Retina 4K, and that'll be it.